discussion is on a short monsoon diary. About the author, this story is written by Ruskin Bond. Born on 19th May 1934, he is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landore, Missouri, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He prolifically authored inspiring children's books and was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award to honor his work of literature. Summary: the writer, Ruskin Bond, in this diary tells about the nature of miracles and life's little joy and regrets. June 24th was the first day of monsoon mist. The mist was saddening. It concealed the hills and spread silence. The birds stopped singing suddenly. June 25th brought early monsoon rain. It became warm and humid. The mist afforded some privacy also. A boy asked him to describe the hill station and the valley. Ruskin only said that it could have been a paradise. The rain marked the arrival of animals like leopard and thousands of leeks. The leopard lifted a dog from the servants' quarter below the school. Since the rain were there, the insect-eating bird had no hearth or food. All night on August 2nd, the rain drummed on the tin roof, but there was no shower, no thunder. On August 3rd, the rain stopped. The whisking thrush sang. On August 12th, there was endless rain and permanent mist. The writer had nowhere to go. He only looked out of the window. On August 31st, snakes and rodents rushed out of their flooded holes. They took shelter in roofs and godowns. The grandmother told the children not to kill the chuchundas. By October 3rd, the monsoon rain made way for winter rain and snow at higher altitude. A hailstorm in the evening hit the place. The poet was quite alone in the house. He was very lonely and quiet. He heard only the rhythm of rain. It eloped the house. The trees looked not green but dreadful. By March end, the writer also ended. Mussoorie had black clouds over it. It hailed half an hour. When it cleared the sky, a rainbow was formed across it. Important questions. Question 1. Why is the author not able to Biju? The author could not see Biju because of the mist that concealed the hills, so he could hear the Biju's voice but not see him. Question 2. What are the two ways in which the hills appear to change when the mist comes up? When the mist comes up, it covers the hills and spreads silence as well as stillness. Question 3. When does the monsoon season begin and when does it end? How do you prepare to face the monsoon? The monsoon season in Mussoorie begins from June 24th and 25th. By August 2nd, the peoples are fed up of the rain. It ends up by August 31st. The water ends by late March. We take our raincoats and umbrellas to face the monsoon. Question 5. For how many days does it rain without stopping? What does the author do on these days? It rains non-stop for 8 or 9 days. The author keeps pacing the room and looking out the window. Question 6. Where do the snakes and rodents take shelter? Why? The rodents and the snake take shelter in roofs and the godowns. It rains so heavily that their holes are flooded with water. Thank you.